The atmosphere at the Heritage Campus of Benson Idahosa University, BIU, is one of academic rigor as members of the university community, scholars, and other guests converge for the 25th in its series of inaugural lectures.
The procession is made up of deans and directors of Benson Idahosa University.
The spotlight is on Professor Rosemary Obasi, who delivers a lecture titled From Numbers to Nation Building: The Imperative of Financial Reporting and Corporate Governance for Accountability and Sustainable Development in Nigeria. Professor Rosemary Obasi highlights the essence of financial reporting, noting that without a robust corporate governance and a transparent reporting framework, Nigeria's strive for sustainable development will remain a mirage.
Effective corporate governance serves as a vital signal of a country's commitment to global best practices and ethical business conduct. In emerging economies like Nigeria, the imperative of strong corporate governance is amplified. These economies often face unique challenges, including concentrated ownership structure, weaker institutional framework, less developed capital markets.
For the inaugural lecturer and the academia present, it is the integrity behind the numbers that fuels development and not just the numbers themselves. They task government at all levels to show dividends of taxpayers' money.
Government should pay attention to revenue generation and not just generate this revenue. Government should ensure that they use the revenue for the purpose of development, for the betterment of the people. The issue is not whether we should be taxed. The issue is when we are taxed, let this tax be used for the good of the people.
We trust that this presentation today will be taken to a higher level by integrating them into national policies for national development.
She performed excellently well and delivered, and her lecture will go a long way to assist the accountants, the business, the organizations, the government, and even the corporate world. It's a lesson that, if upheld by the government, it will transform not just Edo State, but the nation at last.
If the literature which she has given rise to is widely distributed, and the recommendations she has made, especially as these also relate to digital information, it will go a long way in helping to improve governance and also the well-being of the citizens.
If accounting reporting is transparent, is corruption-free, then there will be confidence by practically all sectors of investors, both the public and private.
In our synopsis, Acting Vice-Chancellor of Benson Idahosa University, Professor Teresa Bogome, commends the delivery of the inaugural lecturer while urging governments and other corporate bodies to move beyond just numbers to embracing transparent financial reporting as a tool for nation building.
The lecturer made prescriptive roadmaps by stating that accountants must elevate themselves from mere number crunchers to nation builders. Policymakers should embrace revenue optimization strategies, tie emoluments to performance outcomes, and boldly lead the charge for transformative change.
As the curtain is drawn on the 25th Inaugural Lecture of Benson Idahosa University, BIU, the message is clear. If Nigeria can master the transition from numbers to nation building, the promise of sustainable development may finally be within reach. Nosare Me Uso, AIT News, Benin.